Students, we are going to see the fourth question from the textbook. Page number 55. In a polygon with all angles equal, one outer angle is twice an inner angle. Okay. What are the things given to us? In a polygon with all angles equal. If you know one angle, we know the rest of the angle also, because all angles are equal. One outer angle is twice an inner angle. Okay, now we have to apply the chapter equation algebra. Okay, how much is each of its angles and how many sides does it have? So we have to find out how much is each of its angle and how many sides does it have. Okay, what are the things given to us? Is there anything given to us? Yeah, it is a polygon with all angles are equal and one clue is given. One outer angle is twice an inner angle. Okay, what is outer angle? It is twice the inner angle. So, do you remember the equation algebra? Yeah. Okay. Let the inner angle be, what we can give? X. Okay, now then what will be the outer angle? What will be the, it is said that one outer angle is twice an inner angle. So what will be the outer angle? Is equal to how much? 2x. Okay. Now what do we know? The sum of the inner and outer angles at a vertex is equal to how much? The sum of, now, yes, for example, if it is given here, the sum of inner and outer, okay, here, what will be the sum? What is the sum? 180, because they are linear pairs, okay. Now we can write, we know, okay, I suppose you know it. We know the sum of inner and outer angle at a vertex. How much? 180. So we know let one angle, inner angle is x, outer angle is 2x. So what has to be the sum? 180. Okay, so we can write therefore x plus 2x is equal to how much? 180. X plus 2x, 1x plus 2x, 3x. 3x is equal to 180. Therefore x is equal to 180 minus 3, that is equal to 60. So we got x. What is x? X is the inner angle. So inner angle is equal to 60. Okay, that was x. Now what is the outer angle? X, that is equal to 120. But how we got 120? 2 into x was 60. 2 into 60, that is 120. Okay, now we got the first question is satisfied. How much is each of its angle? So 60 each. You understood? Because it is equal set with all angles equal. If it is 60, all other angles also will be 60 here. Now the second part of the question is how many sides does it have? We know that is 60 each. The inner angle is 60 each. The outer angle is equal to 120 each. But do we know how many sides does it have? We do not know. So how many sides does it have? So that is the question. So we know the sum of the outer angle is equal to how much? Okay. The sum of the out triangle is equal to 360. Please have concentration here. The sum of the out triangles in any polygon, it can be a triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, etc. in any polygon. The sum of the out triangle is unchanged sum, that is 360. Okay. Now we got the one side as one out triangle we got as 120. Okay. One out triangle we got 120. And it is said that they are equal. So how many sides does it will have? So we can find out. We can find one side is 1 angle is equal to 120. So therefore, number of sides 360 divided by 120. That is equal to 3. So how many sides does it have? 3 sides. If it outer sides, the number of sides outside, if it is 3, how much will be inside? 3. It will be the same. So, which polygon has 3 sides? Which polygon has 3 sides? It is a triangle. So, we know it is a triangle. So, we can check it and understand the sum. We said it is 3 sides. 3 into 120. We get 360. And we said that, what is the inner angle? 60. 60 into 3. How many? How much we will get? 180. So it is, we have understood what was the polygon here. It was a triangle. Hope you have understood. All the cells are written down here. Understand clearly, because there was no polygon is given. What type of polygon was not given to us? Only one clue was given. The outer angle is twice the inner angle. So we have solved here. Sum of the outer and inner angle is equal, at a vertex is equal to 180. So that is x plus 2x is equal to 180. So how we got x and 2x? If it is a outer and inner angles. So if it is, here it is x, here it will be 2x. Okay, so in that manner we got x plus 2x is equal to 180. Therefore, x plus 2x is equal to 3x, that is 180. X is equal to 180 divided by 3 is equal to 60. Now, inner angle we got 60 and outer angle we got to 120. So we got, the first question was satisfied. The second one was, how many sides does it have? The sides inside in a polygon, how many sides inside and outside will be the same. So sides, to find out angle only, it differs from polygon, different polygon. Okay, as the number changes, number of sides changes, the angle will be, the sum of the angle will be different, but the sides are same. So we know the sum of the outer triangle, that was fixed one. So we wrote, with that one we were trying to find out the sides. We do not know the sum of the inner angles, but we know the sum of the outer angles 360 in any case. So, using that particular theorem or statements, we are finding out the number of sides. The sum of the outer angle is equal to 360, and we know the one side of the outer angle, that is 120. And one more clue was given in the question, that is they are equal. So, in order to find out the number of sides, 360 divided by 120 is equal to 3. So, how many sides does it have? 3 sides. If a polygon has 3 sides, what type of polygon it is? It is a triangle. Now, the fifth question you have to do by yourself. Okay.